Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the steel beam column joint under cyclic clouding reinforced with CFRP composite. You can see here this is a composite. I use render strips. These are the shell parts, and if I hold just column and beam, you can see it here. And if I use for instance 2 for the limit, and you can see here here I use render shell. If I click on this, you can see that, and if I use 1, it will be better. So if I click on animate, you can see the cyclic clouding. I applied the loud in the end of the steel beam, and you can see the connection here. And if I now replace the, for instance, 2 CFRP plates, you can see them here. These are the 2 CFRP as a reinforced. So, and this is the last frame. So let's move to delete it. Hashing damage. You can see hashing damage criterion for the fiber. This is for the matrix, and here this is the another. And if I click on plastic string for the beam or displacement or everything, you can got it. And another important thing is hysteresis diagram. I click on plot, you can see it is the hysteresis diagram. If I use chart square, you can see this is the hysteresis diagram. And if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial. There are many English tutorials in our website. Click on a title or blue sign. This is continue, and then you will have this title, short explanation about the process and simulation and the results here. So there are 3 important points here. The file contains C, INP and English video file step by step, and the cost is $32 US. You can pay for this simulation or this tutorial with PayPal account. This is a better way to use PayPal account. If you have the PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for